The estimated spend on well decommissioning globally over the next 10 years is £80 billion, with £15.3 billion due to be spent in the UK. WellSafe's long-term goal is to export their model from the UK into the global marketplace. Helena Carter finds out more.
Aberdeen is home to WellSafe Solutions, who specialise in decommissioning. They're a rapidly growing company with big ambitions, and they're already having a huge impact, not only offshore, but onshore too.
So we've got various different departments within the business. We've got the operations department that runs the rigs, so we have our own assets that we'll use to go out and do the actual physical decommissioning of the wells. And we've got the well engineering team. They go through the planning phase of it, so they'll look at the data, what's existing, the condition of the wells, and how we can go about doing the plug and abandonment of the wells using the technology. So looking at different technology aspects that we can bring in and we can introduce to look to remove the wells safely and efficiently.
Far from being the end of the road for the oil and gas sector, decommissioning is another part of the life cycle. And with 20 to 40 years of decommissioning ahead, it brings with it vast opportunities and the chance to introduce a new wave of people into the industry.
WellSafe, the story is different. We're trying to do something different. We're in the decommissioning market, which is still relatively new. We've got a real focus on developing and driving employees internally. If people feel engaged in the role that they're doing, they feel challenged, they will stay and we will retain the knowledge. So we're keen to encourage that and support that as much as we can.
We're going to implement that into the next phase of the project.
Chris is a graduate engineer and has hugely benefited from this support.
With the offshore opportunities, you don't really get that offshore experience this early on in your career. And for me to be able to go out there and see all these operations happening in real time and actually have hands-on experience almost with these operations has been immeasurably good for my experience, I reckon. Just a fantastic opportunity here. Like, with the expertise you have in the office here and the opportunities they allow you to do when you're here, I mean, sky's the limit really.
WellSafe Solutions are working with the UK's supply chain expertise in decommissioning, an approach that can be exported not only across the UK but into the global marketplace.
Decommissioning is worldwide, it's not just in the UK. Clearly that's our focus at the moment, but there's certainly opportunities we're aware of out with the UK. WellSafe Solutions aim to have the same people working on lots of different projects, following through from operator to operator. That means that you do retain those lessons learned. So it's not just about having a decent spreadsheet or reading the spreadsheet from the previous lot, it's about actually having the same people and implementing the lessons learned that way.
Morning, Heather.
The company focuses on attracting and retaining the highest calibre of employees to ensure they achieve their ambitious plans.
Not everyone's from a decommissioning point, they're from operators, they're from contractors, and it's just really good to have all that pool of knowledge.
The WellSafe team here are superb, everyone's so experienced, so knowledgeable, and just really great people, really easy to work with.
Our mission is to drive performance and always get better, and through new technology that really helps drive performance or make things safer.
This determination is shared by every single member of staff at WellSafe Solutions.
We want to really refine the model, the delivery here, work with our peers and our customers here in the UK to then look at a global offering. And I think again, if we do this properly and we do decommissioning efficiently, then again that can actually unlock further investment in the basin as well, so we can see new investment in new field discoveries.
A team excited by the future and ready to tackle any challenges it may bring. Their focus very firmly on new horizons.